Hey everyone, it's Courtney. Welcome back to my channel. So I am here, kind of low-key last minute. Very much just got home from work. Very greasy forehead situation. But I finally got my Sephora Play for the month of February, so I thought I would unbox it really quick with you guys so you could see it, and we would just go from there. So the first thing, obviously, is the bag. So it is a drawstring, which you guys know I hate. And it says Feel the Love, hashtag Sephora Play. It's got like a little girl in a heart. It's cute. I'm just never, this is not practical in any way for me. So I just declutter those and give them to somebody else. Starting off with the perfume, I already like ripped it open. This is the Viktor and Rolf Flower Bomb. I've actually never had this before, but I really, really like it. Like, it smells amazing. Are they cruelty free? Does anybody know? I'll have to look it up. Because I would definitely repurchase, like I'd purchase that. Now before we get too far ahead of ourselves, this is what the card looks like this month. You are a beauty guru. Girl, you know that's right. Lipsticks are red, lipsticks are blue. Here is a shade that made me think of you. Ha! These are cute. They're like, do you dig my lipstick? Yes, no, maybe. Make it a friend date. Do you even have pores? And then there's always the 50 points that if you take it into a Sephora store, you can get 50 extra points. But I never do that because I don't have a Sephora near me, blah, blah, blah. So there are actually 2 Sephora brand items in this box, which I'm not necessarily thrilled about, but this first one is one of their cream lip stains, and these are actually really nice, is what I've heard. I haven't had one before, but I can't get it open either. There we go. So this is like a laughable mini in comparison to my thumb, which is very small. I have stubby thumbs compared to my hands, so it's tiny. That's adorable. And it's just a really nice Hollywood kind of red that I will end up panning and continuing. There's a bunch of shades in this. I'm sure you guys have already seen these via Sephora or the internet. And then the other Sephora product is a Sephora Rouge Matte Lipstick. I like the packaging on these. It feels like the Bite packaging. It's like that velvety feeling. And this is what, dark red. Okay, I dig it. There's no name on this. Made in Italy. Not helpful. This is Rebel Chic. Oh, never mind. It's right here. Okay. It was just in a weird place. This is really pretty too. I was expecting to... Ooh. This, like, isn't super pigmented. Like, I'd go over that a bunch of times. That's what that looks like. That is one swipe. So, I'll definitely be able to pan it and use it. So, I mean, it's not bad. It's just, I have 1,000 colors like that, and I, you know, could take or leave it. The next thing in here that's actually kind of cool and almost necessary, because I'm running actually pretty low on mascara. This is the Lancome Monsieur Big. French is not a first language for me. And it's just a little tube with some metallic pink writing on the top. This is the number 01 Big is the new black. That's funny. It says long all day wear. And it's plus volume, 12 times more volume. So I'm not going to open it because I have 2 open right now, but when I do, if you guys follow me on Snapchat, I will give you an update on how I like it on Snapchat. So the next thing is also laughably small, which I think this is hilarious. This is a Belief moisturizing eye balm. It is so small, and most of it is actually not in there. It's mostly just packaging, which is kind of annoying. It looks like that. It smells really good. It smells like the Aqua Bomb. It feels really good. I really like this line. I'm sure I'll enjoy this also. There was somebody that commented and said that this isn't cruelty free, and that makes me really sad. So I guess I'll just have to keep getting it through Sephora Play. And then the last thing in here is a Hello Fab, or from First Aid Beauty. This is the Hello Fab Ginger and Turmeric Vitamin C Jelly Mask, safe for sensitive skin. Can I smell it, or is it sealed? Oh, not sealed. Oh. Ooh. It smells like, man, it smells like Verner's, which is ginger ale, in case anyone's not from Michigan. And obviously because like the ginger, but it smells like dirty ginger ale, if that makes any sense. Interesting. This is cool. It's kind of like something different. I've never used a jelly mask before, so we'll see how that works. Again, if you want to hang out with me via Snapchat, I will let you guys know how I like it when I put it on. I'm sure it'll look really cute on my face. So overall, I'm excited about the perfume. I'm excited about the eye cream. Bummed about the size of the eye cream. The Lancome mascara is cool. The face mask is cool. This is just hilarious. It's like so small. But I'm sure that you get a lot of use out of these. Like, if anybody's panned one of these, let me know down below. But it seems like you wouldn't need a lot of this product. Let's like put it on. It feels like the NYX Soft Matte Lip Creams, kind of. It smells good. It smells like frosting. Am I beautiful now? Well, I give this box a confused face. It wasn't bad, but it wasn't like my favorite box ever, naturally. I'll let you guys know. I'll keep you posted about the products inside when I open them up and everything. So follow me over on Snapchat or Instagram if you are interested in knowing how I feel. And if you guys want to check out any of my other social medias, that's all down below like I just said. You can hang out with me there. And you can also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hang out with me more often and be my best friend. I don't always film when it's getting dark. I normally try to film in the daytime, but it's just been a weird week for me. I love you guys so much. I don't know if I said that already, but if I didn't, I do. And I will talk to you all in the next video. Bye, everybody.